Self-Lender updates your credit report after your payment activity is processed and sent to the credit bureaus on their reporting cycle, not instantly after you make a payment. By the end, you'll know why Self-Lender sometimes doesn't update, how reporting timing actually works, and what to check if your credit report looks stuck. Start with the biggest misunderstanding. Self-Lender does not update credit reports in real time. Payments can be processed in your account, but that does not mean they've been sent to credit bureaus yet. Now explain what that means. There is a gap between payment made and credit report updated. That gap is usually tied to reporting cycles. Now explain how reporting works. Credit bureaus update information in batches. That means your Self-Lender activity only shows up after the next reporting cycle is completed. Now explain why people think it's broken. If you expect instant updates, it can look like nothing is happening. But in most cases, it's just timing, not an error. Now, explain the first thing to check. Open your Self-Lender account and confirm your payments are marked as completed. If payments are still pending or processing, they will not be reported yet. Now explain the second check. Make sure your account is fully active and in good standing. Accounts that are not fully set up or verified can delay reporting. Now explain the third factor. Reporting also depends on whether a full cycle has passed since your last activity. If you just made a payment recently, it may not appear yet. Now explain what not to do. Avoid opening multiple disputes or assuming the account is broken before a full reporting cycle has passed. That usually creates confusion instead of fixing anything. Now explain when it becomes a real issue. If multiple reporting cycles pass and nothing appears on your credit report, then it may be a reporting or account issue that needs support, help. Now explain what to do in that case. Contact Self-Lender support and confirm your account status and reporting eligibility. Now summarize the key points. Self-Lender does not update credit reports instantly after payment. Updates depend on credit bureau reporting cycles. And most delays are caused by timing, not system errors. One practical next step. Check your payment status and wait for a full reporting cycle before assuming something is wrong. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple explanations of credit building tools and how they actually work.